Hey guys, it's Rishi here. In this video, we'll check out how to set up Java and IntelliJ on your computer. Jump into your favorite browser and search up JDK download. Open this Java downloads link in the Oracle website. During the making of this video, Java 22.0.2 is the latest version, so I'm going to download that. Since I'm on Windows 11, I'm going to go into the Windows section and I'm going to download this exe file. Once that is done downloading, head here into the download section and left click on it to run the file. Click next here. This location is where Java is going to be installed on your PC. If you'd like to change this, click on this button and navigate to your desired location. Let's click next here and wait for it to finish installing. And we have installed Java on your PC. Let's head back to our browser and search up IntelliJ download. Let's click on this first link from JetBrains. Now you might be tempted to click on this bright blue button, but this is the Ultimate Edition. This is a commercial edition of the code editor with a more extensive support for languages and frameworks. And hence, it is going to cost some moolah. You'll only get a 30-day free trial. If you scroll down, you will notice the community edition of IntelliJ, which is completely free, and this should get the job done for learning Java and most simple Java projects. Let's hit this button and download the exe file. Let's run it. A setup wizard will pop up. Once again, this is where IntelliJ will be installed. If you want to change this, you can click on the browser button and navigate from here. If you want a desktop shortcut, check this box. And check this box if you want to open files on IntelliJ just from your right-click menu. And since we're going to be coding in Java, check this first box. If you plan on using Gradle, Groovy, Kotlin script files, or project object models, check these boxes. If you plan on running IntelliJ directly from the command line from any working directory, check this box. And let's wait for this to download. Once that's done, let's check this box to run IntelliJ right now. This is the import settings page. If you have another code editor installed, you can import your settings from that onto here. In my case, I have VS Code installed. I'm going to skip this for now. This is the homepage of IntelliJ. Let's create a new Java project. In this text box, title your project. I'm going to go with Hello World. Down here, you'll observe IntelliJ has already detected the version of Java we have installed. Unlike me, if your JDK does not show up here, click on this. If you didn't change the location of JDK in this step of the installation, you can find it in your C drive, in program files, in Java. Click on the JDK22 folder and click OK. Now, I know what you were thinking. What the hell, bro? Why do you make me go through all this when there's a download JDK option right here? Well, while that option works with IntelliJ, it can get a bit messy when you're switching between different programs while working with Java. That's why downloading JDK directly from the Oracle website is ideal. Now, I'm going to stick with the OG version of Java I had. Now, we'll choose where we want to store our Java project. Click on this folder icon and navigate to your desired location. Then click Create. IntelliJ has automatically generated some code for us here. Once the project is done indexing, we could run the code and we could see our desired result in the terminal. Now, if you want to use a debugger, you'll notice that Windows Firewall has automatically blocked access to networks. Let's click Allow here, and your debugger should work. That is it for this video. If you want a guide on the settings of IntelliJ, let me know in the comments. That is it for this video. This is Rishi signing off.